Well, the new side stand's installed. Isn't that pretty? And it swings out just fine. And it stops just fine. And it swings back just fine. And even has a rubber bumper on it for a stop. Very, very nice. Looking good. I had a little bit of time while waiting for something else. So I went ahead and installed the battery, well, temporarily at least. I put the rubber pad underneath of it, got it to fit. I installed the rubber hold down strap in the back where it goes. And I made this bracket, which actually stands about at the top of the bolt. The bolt is captive. Pull down on this, put the nut on, tighten it down, which stretches the strap and keeps the battery pretty darn tight. I got no problem with it. I'll probably put a pad behind here with some silicone just to hold the battery in place from the back. But it's a good hold down. I see no problem with it. And had a little time, so I spent it doing that.